again with some more news you guys could use. In our previous video, we actually covered how we're using GDP data to make trading decisions in the stock market and Forex. To tie that in, we want to take a deeper dive into the current cycle we're in, or this current bull market we've been seeing since 2008 housing crisis. Now, I do have a checklist here on the screen if you guys can see. Most of these things are checked, and we do have some of them with a little red asterisk that are at all-time highs, which generally signals a contraction or the end of a bull market. So we can see things like energy stocks leading, inflationary bottlenecks. We have an asset bubble, peak retail inflows, and then things like commodities and oil with this bullish rally. So these are signs that generally point to the end of the bull market and contraction in the economy. The next chart I'm going to show is the actual, what we call the business cycle. This is the cycle that the economy runs on. We kind of start an expansion, then we come into a contraction. We can see utilities have peaked, consumer staples have occurred, things like energy, and we are starting getting signs of a global recession or slowdown, leading us into an addition or an actual contraction. So if the business cycle is right, which we have been seeing for years upon years, we do still see some economic downturn in our future, which kind of makes us leery about stocks. I did get a question, is it the time to go gung-ho in stocks? I would say, the current shorter term trajectory is up. We did currently break a 7-week down trend. So the market is up about 6%, but I wouldn't get too gung-ho in allocating so much into the stock market, as well as doing risk on, what we call risk on, or commodity currencies. So it's kind of a mixed sentiment going into the market. Real quick, if we do have enough time, I just want to show some commentary from other economists. So it is showing, we spoke about the 6% rise this week. Now, most analysts are warning that inflation does remain a threat, and we are looking to sell rallies. So I just want to give you guys, again, some news you can use and a little bit of data. If you guys want more information on or more in-depth look at things like how we're using the GDP, the business cycle, to make trading decisions, feel free to like, follow, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have a little bit more time to go more in depth. Again, this is Nick representing KVFX. Peace, and always trade light, trade right.